have a stackable washer and dryer in my condo, and it's by Whirlpool. This is a dryer, and down here is the washer. And there's a problem with the washer in that the water is not draining from the drum, and we get a code right here that says A10. And when I looked this up on the web, A10 is when there is a blockage of the drain tube, or there's blockage at the drain pump area. And I saw how they did it on YouTube videos, so I'm going to try to repeat that. And the first step is to take this cover off right here. Okay, so the first thing I did was turn off the power to the washer. And now I'm going to see if I can take this cover off. So this is the cover to the drain pump. And I'm gonna put some towel here because I've read that a lot of water can come out from it. And sure enough, a lot of water is draining out. Ooh, and it stinks too. Ooh. It's a little bit hard to work around this area because of this pan that the washer is sitting in. I'm just moving the towel around so that the dry part can catch the water. I don't have enough towels. I think what I'm gonna do is just, as this soaks up with water, I'm gonna wring it out and then put it back in there to catch more water. Okay, so I'm gonna put this back in. Turn this back in there and then just wring some water out. And I'll put the towel back in. Oops. Okay, so after multiple times of going back and forth, catching the water in the towel and wringing it out, all of the water has come out, and now I'm just taking this this drain plug area lid off to see what's caught inside. goodness, and I can already feel the stuff. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So these are all the things that were found inside, clogging up the place. Oh my God. I don't know if you can see it. Here is all the gunk. So that was the problem. So I've taken the cover and rinsed it out, and now I'm just gonna put it back and see if that has fixed the problem. Hopefully nothing has gone past this filter area into the drain pump, because that would have made the drain pump, that would have broken the drain pump. So, okay, I'm gonna put this back in, and then just turn it, screw it back in. Okay, it's hard to screw it because of this drain pan, edge of the drain pan. Okay, looks like that's it. Wipe this area here. And now put the lid back in. Okay. I just wanted to show that unclogging that drain pump area solved the problem, and now the washer is working just fine.